Today we're gonna make one of my favorite go-to recipes, vegan-friendly chicken Caesar salad. What's up guys, Sarah here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your own organic food and medicine and how to fight disease naturally. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so today we're gonna make one of my favorite go-to recipes. It's a modification to the Oh She Glows crowd-pleasing Caesar salad. And of course, for this project, we're going to need the trusty food processor. We need some olive oil, a can of chickpeas, some lemon juice, you need some Worcestershire sauce, sea salt, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, a garlic clove. You also need some capers. You're going to need a little bit of cayenne pepper, and you need half a cup of cashews that have been soaked for 2 hours up to overnight. If you're running a little short on time, you can always put them in some boiling water to shorten the soak time. You will also need some kale and some romaine lettuce, a bunch of each. You're also gonna need some vegan-friendly chicken strips. I use the Gardein brand, however, there are other brands out there. So the first thing that you wanna do is open up your can of chickpeas. You're gonna drain them, rinse them, and stick them in a bowl. Once you've drained and rinsed your chickpeas and put them in a bowl, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Next, you're gonna add half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, depending on your heat tolerance. So once that's all been added to the bowl, you're gonna mix it well and then place them on a cookie sheet and roast them for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So while your chickpeas are roasting in the oven, you're gonna start cooking your chicken strips in a frying pan according to the directions on the packet. Okay, so once your chickpeas are roasting and your chicken strips are frying, we're gonna start working on the dressing for the Caesar salad. Basically, we're throwing everything in the food processor and we're gonna blend it up. The first thing you wanna add is your half a cup of cashews that have been soaked, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 small garlic clove, a larger one or an extra one if you want it to have a little extra kick, half a tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of capers, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. What I do is I squeeze the lemon over top of one of these mesh strainers and then measure out a tablespoon. And if you have a little bit of extra lemon juice left over, just add it to your drinking water. So once that's all added to the food processor, we're gonna blend it until it's all nice and smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. So once it's blended really well, I'm actually going to put this into a bowl and then slowly add in my washed and chopped kale and romaine. This way I don't end up with too much of the leafy greens and not enough dressing. Okay, so like I said, I've washed and chopped my kale and romaine lettuce, and I'm just gonna slowly add it in and keep mixing it until I get it to the consistency that I would like. So once you've added as much kale and romaine as you like, it's about 50-50. However, if I had to choose, I'd prefer a little more kale over the romaine because it's more nutrient dense and it doesn't get wilty like the romaine does. And then if you have a little bit left over, just stick it in a container, throw it in the fridge, and then you can use it in your smoothies later or a salad or something like that. All right, there we go. We've got our vegan-friendly chicken Caesar salad. It's relatively quick and easy. It's super delicious and very nutrient dense. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day.